Hello Group 2, how are you today? Today we're talking about a new lesson in Unit 1 in algebra. Today we're talking about factorizing the sum and difference of two cubes. Firstly, we're talking about factorizing the sum of two cubes. How to factorize the sum of two cubes? Firstly, we open two brackets. One of them is small and one of them is big. In the small bracket, we put the cubic root of the first term plus the cubic root of the second term. In the big bracket, we open the square of the first and change the sign plus b minus the product of the first term and the second term. 8x cubed plus 125 is a perfect cube. After that, we open two brackets. One of them is small and one of them is big. In the small bracket, we open the cubic root of the first term equal to x plus the cubic root of the second term equal 5. After that, we square 2x square equal 4x power 2 and change the sign plus b minus. After that, the product of two terms 10x. After that, the square of the second term equal 25. The second expression 8x cubed plus 1 divided 8. After that, the big perfect square the first term 4x square and change the sign plus b negative, and we multiply first term times the second term equal x plus the square to half square equal 1 divided 4. After that, we're talking about factorizing the difference of two cubes. In two brackets, one of them is small and one of them is big. And in the small bracket, we open the cubic following. Question number 1, 27a cubed minus b cubed. Firstly, we check two terms of the expression are perfect cube. Yes, two terms are perfect cube. After that, we open to y power 3. What we see? We see x power 4. It's not perfect cube. What we do? Determine the high common factor. We say the high common factor equal to x, and we divided the high common factor of the two terms of the expression. 54 x power 4 divided to x equal 27. X power 3 minus 2x y power 3 divided to x equal y power 3. The expression 27 x power 3 minus y power 3 is a perfect cube. Two terms of them is a perfect cube. After that, we open two brackets. One of them is small and another one is big. In the small bracket, we open the cubic root of the first term equal 3x minus y. In the big bracket, we open the big bracket and we put 3x power 2 equal 9x power 2 and change the sign minus b plus, and the cubic root of the first term equal e power 3 minus the cubic root of the second term 6b cube. In the big one, e power 3 all power 2 equal e power 3 and change the sign minus b plus and multiply the two terms 6a cube b cube plus square the second term 36b power 6. Question number 4, let x cube minus y cube equal 28 and x minus y equal 2. Find the value of this expression x power 2 plus xy plus y square. Firstly, x power 3 minus y power 3, this is a perfect cube. We factorize it we open two brackets, one of them is small and another one is big. In the small bracket we open the cubic root of the first term equal x minus y, and the big bracket x squared, and change the sign plus, and the product of the first two equal 14, the value of expression equal 14. Goodbye. Now we finish our lesson. See you later in a new lesson. Goodbye.